Hey, I'll fix it here. And the Honeybee, she has a Honda CRV 2008 with a squeak problem coming from the back brakes. We're gonna check it out and fix it. Stay with us.
Okay, so step one, we went ahead and put our jack stands there, these two, put the brake over there, safety measures, okay? We also loosened the nugs a little bit before lifting, and now we're going to take the wheel off. This thing is a little loose.
It's a cheap Harbor Freight. See if you can wiggle that whole thing right off of there. Does it move?
It moves side to side. Do I take it out?
Well, we might have to give that thing a kick or something. Let's see. Yeah. Watch your fingers now. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we'll just roll it down here and stick it off to the side. Okay. Now we'll take a look inside what we got here. We're thinking that that squeaky noise is probably from the disc brakes that are in here. When she puts on the brakes to slow down, you can hear the squealing coming from this area.
So now we're going to take this off. I struggle. Okay,
yeah.
I don't think so.
So if that nut starts turning, then you have to hold it with another wrench. But it's not turning. See, that's this part right here.
The second one is down here.
That's it. Now, does it hang on that thing? We put that bungee cord on there so that it doesn't put too much pressure on the brake line. That's good. All right, so now this is your brake pads right here. All right, looks like we lost our microphone for a bit, but check that out. She is turning wrenches like a pro. Look at her go. And this is developing confidence and abilities. Like pretty soon you're going to see a look on her face like when you take a kid fishing for the first time and they catch their first fish. Check that out. I mean, let's look at this again. Is that the look of confidence and success? You know, it is. This whole project is worthwhile just to see that look. Awesome.
So we went to the store and we got this one, brand new brake pads, Duralast, and here's the difference. You can see this one is a lot thinner than this one.
Oh, yeah. This one's like, that's like a couple times thicker now.
And we also have this. Next, we're gonna go ahead and clean this part up that we took off. Take, where is it? These metal pieces off with this one and this one. And make sure these are working good. So they're supposed to move up and down. So yeah, clean it up and grease it up. Clean and grease. So this is how we're gonna pop those metal things off. Just with something like this. Okay, so we got those off. Now we're gonna take these nugget thingies off. So you just give it a tug. See? There. Now you can clean these, which Normally you would use something called brake clean, but we have this right now, so it's kind of similar, and so we're gonna try to clean it with this. Okay, so I already squirted just a little squirt on here and then used a rag to clean it off. Like this.
That goes inside. Oh, nice fit.
Nice. Next. Like that.
Perfect. You see how much better those things work now? They were all gummed up and not even coming back out when you push it in.
Nice.
Cool.
Alright, so we finished using the wire brush to clean inside here and around just to make sure everything's good. Now we're going to take some more grease, just a little bit, and put it on the backs of our new metal pieces. Now you're just gonna attempt to put it on. Let's see, this goes under here.
Yeah, looks good.
And then you'll just do the same to the other side. So now we're placing this back on, putting our bolts back in here on the back. Ready?
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah, I think you got it.
And now let go.
Yeah. All right. Cool. Cool. Groovy. Awesome.
All right, so, and we did tighten these two bolts, by the way. And back to this. So we squished that circle thing in because we need to put this thing in, right? We just squish it in. Oh, it doesn't go. Oh, wait, let's see. Why isn't it perfect?
Good.
Okay, so we did end up putting it in there. It just got caught right here before. And now we can put this on.
Oops. Push that one in.
There.
Okay, I think you got it. Fits like a glove.
And now we can put our bolts back in here and here.
You have to wiggle it a little bit if it's not catching the thread.
This one is definitely
That one's
catching.
working.
This one is not catching. Okay, that's better.
This part is also turning, so
Uh-huh.
you might have to hold that.
Oh.
Like this guy.
Really tight?
Yeah,
Okay.
now, get the check for how tight it is. I think it's supposed to be like 31 pounds to work or something. And I just go like that and it goes, yep, that's perfect. Okay.
Next.
We just put the wheel back on, then we'll go to the other side of the car and do the same kind of thing. Okay, lost the microphone again for this, but let's look at this again. Check this girl out. as she knows, she has that knowing that she already is successful with one side of the car. And now, she has accomplishment, she has the ability, she knows that she can go on with confidence, and she'll be able to go to the other side of the car and do the same thing. It will be just fine. She knows it. She's got that knowing look. That's the important thing about all this. Well, it looks like we don't have a microphone for the ending either. What's the deal here? Well, anyways, look at that. Proud girl. I'm proud of her. Yeah. So anyways, yeah, she did a great job. Now you can do a great job. Hitting the thumbs up and everything. Adios. Ciao.